So, how about a free tool to light up your scene in Blender with only one click? Sounds dope, right? The free Action Lightrooms add-on is an amazing way to add light and show your work, especially for beginners. It's available on Gumroad with both free and paid version. The free one includes half the full version, with 15 light variations to get awesome looks inside your scene. You can get it from here with a simple login and proceed to install it in the preferences in Blender as usual. I'm running on Blender 4.2, so I will install it from the add-on settings, and it should be in the sidebar once we're done. Now with anything in your scene, you can switch to cycles for better preview, choose a mood for your lighting, then hit the Add Lightroom button, and all the lights added will be in a new collection which you can delete from this button. You can go with another mood, and the Tools bar has both a background and volumetrics options to make it easier for studio shots. And it's as easy as you see it. You add and delete until you get the look you want. You can add multiple moods over each other but not the same ones twice, since you will get an error. And this should left the wait with lights playing process while you're modeling things around. This works with Eevee too, just to be clear, so have it your way. And that's it. If you like it, do support the author, 'cause this one is quite dope, and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.